friendliest dog. Give it up for Wally.
What will I do with the prize? I'm going to go to New York. What are we supposed to do with the prize? Spend it on you? That's right.
Tell us what he is.
He's Beagle Basset Boxer.
How old?
4 years old.
It's Mr. Joe Montana Sr.
Good dog.
Here we go.